The CDC is making a major change to its childhood vaccine guidelines. The number of recommended shots now down to 11. Supporters call it common sense, but critics say it could put children's health at risk. The Trump administration says it's aligning the U.S. with countries like Denmark and Japan by scaling back routine childhood vaccine recommendations for the first time in history.
We're finally getting in line with the rest of the world and bringing some common sense to our vaccine schedule.
Suzanne Waltman leads Michigan for Vaccine Choice and applauds the decision. Waltman says it lets parents work with doctors to decide what's right for their kids and reducing what she called unnecessary toxins.
So I think we've been really overzealous here in America. Anytime we could invent a vaccine for a disease, we're going to add it to the schedule.
Public health leaders not as optimistic. One expert I spoke to says the change could have consequences, especially for diseases nearly eradicated in the U.S., like measles.
So when we have lower vaccination numbers for whatever reason, and we do not have enough immunity in our community, it will result in us seeing more vaccine-preventable diseases.
Dr. Adenike Shoyinka is Ingham County's medical health officer. She says Michigan will continue following evidence-based schedules recommended by pediatric and family medicine groups.
Vaccines are safe and are a very effective tool in preventing diseases that could cause severe outcomes.
New guidance from the CDC keeps vaccines for measles, polio, and HPV on the list, but shots for flu, hepatitis A, and rotavirus will now require a doctor's consultation.
And it's still covered by insurance, so if parents are worried about not being able to afford something, well, they still a drug such as that, then they could still get coverage on it.
Now, the CDC plans to track disease trends closely as the new schedule rolls out. The agency says access to insurance coverage for all childhood vaccines won't change, even for those that are no longer recommended. Here in Lansing, I'm Danny Valle, Fox 47 News.